So you want to start generating Facebook leads to grow your real estate business, but you aren't sure where to start. Be sure to stick around because in today's video, I'm sharing a valuable resource that will allow you to do nothing more than just turn your ads on and off. No setup, no investigating, no determining what works and what doesn't. This is a one-stop shop. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than what I normally do, but I continue getting the question from my viewers of what am I doing to generate leads from Facebook? Many of you know I do run Facebook ads, but truth be told, I do not set them up myself. I don't know anything about setting up Facebook ads, but I do know the person to go to. I've been working with William Hegman of The Social Agent. He's the owner since 2019. And his ads work. They work every single time. I turn them on and off as needed, depending on how many leads I have coming in and I'm able to distribute to the agents that I work with. This is truly just a one-stop shop. William sets everything up for you, and today's style is gonna be a little bit different because I'm actually gonna take you all into my computer, show you the ads that he set up for me, and also give you an inside look into the Facebook group that he runs as well so that you can see what others are saying about his Facebook ads. All right, so here we are taking an inside look at William Hegman's Facebook group, the Social Agent Network. You can join this whether you are using his ads or not. It's a great place to get a feel for how others are having success with his ads. There's a lot of resources in here. It's very open communication and a friendly group. I've been a member for years. There's over 41,000 members. And the reason I wanted to show it to you today is it really gives you an inside look of what is going on with the ads that has created. It's hands off. You really don't have to do anything other than follow up with the leads that come in from his ads. And I want to make sure I really emphasize that. Don't ever run Facebook ads if you are not going to follow up with them consistently. Most of these leads are ready to transact anywhere in the 1 to 6 month range. But I've had some come in that didn't transact for 2 or 3 years and have now started their home search. So you've really got to have your follow-up dialed in. I have all of mine on automatic email and text campaigns. So the only thing that I really have to be responsible for, or really the agents that are working with me are responsible for, is actually calling the leads that come in. But if you don't have that plan in place, don't waste your money on Facebook ads, period, whether it's Williams or someone else's, because it's not going to turn into business for you. I'm going to scroll down here. A lot of people will post their experience with working with William. He's wonderful to work with. He's just a nice person in general, but his system is really what works. And he's constantly rolling out different packages. He also just recently was able to secure to be able to offer financing as well. So if the setup fee is more than you're comfortable paying all in one lump sum, he does have financing options as well. So here's an example of what some agents do who are using the ads. I also do this as well. This is a different Amanda. She has been killing it with Will's ads. This is her 60-day update so that you can get an idea. She spent $228 to get 30 leads. She's nurturing 10, which she considers that a pre-approval or getting pre-approved. 3 converted and referred. Sometimes you will get leads that are outside your immediate area. Like, for example, because I'm in Northern Virginia, sometimes I get leads that are interested in Maryland or DC. I just refer those out. 2 new buyers that are actively showing $625K, and 1 new seller signed listing agreement for $700,000. So you don't have to have, yes, seeing the success she has and the commission she's going to be receiving is great. But the point that I want to make is you don't have to spend thousands of dollars, i.e. on Zillow leads. You can be spending $100, $200 a month. I'm actually going to put my ad spin up here, and I'll even show you all. We can go into my ads manager to show you similar in terms of the cost per lead. And Amanda really is doing great. If you join this Facebook group, you will see many more of these reviews. This is just one example. Let's come over here now, though. I want to show you all the setup here. And the way that this works, again, I don't do any of this. This is what you pay William to do. Facebook ads and setting them up and testing. That is not my thing. I want nothing to do with it. I just want the leads to come in. So that's why I use William. He goes in on the back end. He has access to my Zapier account. Come in here. He sets up all the zaps for you with the different ads that he runs. And depending on, he has different packages. It's not necessarily that you would have all the same ones. It depends on what you're interested in. But he sets up the zap, and then look at how seamless this is. This is my KVCore account. These leads dump directly just right into my KVCore account. I don't have to do anything. When someone fills out the ad, the form on the ad, it immediately comes in, drops into KVCore. And then from there, I have KVCore set up so that there's a specific hashtag that's associated to the lead, depending on what ad they responded to. Then that automatically triggers an email and a text drip campaign. The other thing that I like about these Facebook leads is that, yes, you need to call them promptly, but it's not a fire drill. You don't have to just drop everything that you're doing and call them within, 30 seconds. So to me, that's a benefit because sometimes I'm busy or someone else is busy and a couple hours may pass before we call them. They're not expecting an immediate call. So you've got the email that will automatically go out or the text, depending on how you start it. And then I have these campaigns set to run for 90 days. And then if I still haven't connected with them, I will start them over again. Now, I like to be completely transparent. Let me move my face out of the way. This is just running ads. This is just running one ad. I ran his list of price reduced homes ad. That's what generated these leads, less than $10 a lead. And I only ran this ad for a week. Once the leads started rolling in, we went, wait a minute, we needed to pause this. We weren't prepared for this many leads. So let's work what we have. And then I'll just turn it back on when we need some more leads. It's that simple. And that's what I love about this program that he's developed is I don't need to know anything about setting the ads up or optimizing them or understanding what should run when. It is, I turn it on or I turn it off, depending on whether or not I want more or less leads flowing in. So that's just a little behind the scenes look of how William runs his business and the Social Agent Facebook group. I will leave a link in the comments for the Facebook group in case you want to join. And if you have any questions about the Social Agent and Will's Facebook ads, just drop me a comment below. I'd be happy to answer them. So there you have it. My secret is out. I do not set up any of my own Facebook ads. I probably never will. It's not something that I really understand. And William knocks it out of the park. He knows what he's doing. He's tested these ads, and I really do believe in his product. If you are interested in getting started with William's ads or joining the Facebook group, you can drop me a comment below. I'll send you an invite to the Facebook group. And if you want to reach out to William directly, be sure to mention my name because he will give you access to special pricing. If you are so much as even considering running Facebook ads in your business, be sure to join that Facebook group, get some more insight before you decide how to move forward. I really do highly recommend William. It has worked for me every time that I have used him. His prices are so reasonable and it pays for itself over and over, even if you close just one deal. If you got some value from today's video, please considering commenting, or subscribing. It always helps me out and I really, really do appreciate it. Until I see you on the next one, take care.